Dawn breaks over Senja Island, Norway. The tranquil Torken fjord shimmers as the first rays of sunlight ignite the sky, painting a fiery canvas above. Our camera soars over steep ridges, capturing breathtaking Arctic vistas. Winding coastlines and deep fjords compose nature's grand poetry. Senja Island, where sunrise, fjords, and aurora converge, forever awaiting explorers. A woman stands at the cliff's edge, admiring the sunrise, the Senja by heart sculpture behind her. As night falls, the northern lights dance across the sky.